In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my size in Uniqlo. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Uniqlo website. If you're redirected to a regional site, that's fine. The layout may look slightly different, but the sizing tools work the same. From the home page, begin browsing for the type of item you want. You can explore categories like women, men, kids, or specific collections, and use filters for color, fabric, or fit to narrow things down. When you spot something you like, select that product to open its page. This is where you'll find all the sizing help you need. Look to the right-hand side of the page, near the size and color options. You should see a set of tools designed to help you choose the best fit. Click on Check My Size. A small window usually appears asking for details like your height, weight, body shape, and fit preference. Snug, regular, or relaxed. Enter the information as accurately as you can. The tool will suggest a recommended size and may show how that size has worked for customers with similar measurements. Treat this as a smart starting point, especially if you're new to the brand. Next, open the size chart. This table lists measurements for each size, often including chest or bust, waist, hip, shoulder width, sleeve length, and garment length. Grab a measuring tape and compare your body measurements to the chart, or compare a similar item you already own to the garment measurements. Remember that Uniqlo often provides flat garment measurements, so doubling across the chest numbers may be necessary to estimate the full circumference. Then check the length guide by height. This feature illustrates where the hem or cuffs are likely to fall based on your height, which is super helpful for dresses, skirts, and pants. If you're between heights, choose the closer option and consider your footwear habits. Sneakers versus heels can change how something drapes. Open My Size Assist to refine things even further. Depending on your device and account settings, it can use your saved profile or previous inputs to tailor a recommendation for this specific item and fabric. Pay attention to any notes about stretch, thickness, or cut, because those can affect how a size feels. Once you're done reviewing the tools, click Close to return to the product page. With those insights, you'll be able to pick a size confidently and avoid guesswork. If you ever switch to a different item, repeat the same checks, since measurements can vary between styles and materials.